Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Shuddhashanto Chatterjee. I'm presently working as a senior consultant in Apollo Clinicals Hospital, Kolkata. Presently, we are in a verge of third wave of COVID-19 infection, and it slowly goes away as the Omicron has very high infectivity rate but very less mortality and very less hospitalization. So we are beginning to think that probably the pandemic is going away. But there is a red alert. The red alert is coming from Yuan laboratory scientist, and which is reconfirmed by the Russian scientist as well, that there is a strain which is a neocov strain, which is though present here in this environment for more than 10 years, but yet it's not mutated. But there is a high chance and a high probability of that to become virulent. Let me discuss a few things about this neocov. Neocov is in the bat. It is a bat coronavirus. It's present, and it's when there is a MERS in 2012 and 2015 in Middle East areas. This particular virus was associated with the MERS virus in these two incidences. And presently it is very close proximity, as you know, the Omicron is in high rise, is very close proximity to Delta virus or Delta part of the COVID-19 as well as Omicron. And they have very close genetical relationships to each other. And this neocov is only one mutation away, just one mutation away from being infected by the virus, human beings, and human to human transmission. Though it is not mutated for last 10 years, this is the only good sign for us. Otherwise, if this particular virus become mutated in presence of these two COVID virus like Delta and Omicron, and if it starts human to human transmission, it will be a bizarre for the entire human beings or entire human civilization as well. As you know, in March, 1 out of 3 people dies of infection. So the chances of 1/3 of the human population of the entire world will be killed by this virus. So be careful. Scientists are doing their job. We doctors are also doing our jobs, but it is all responsibility of the every human beings, including those who are traveling. Be responsible, particularly those who are international travelers and who are going to the South Africa. Please avoid if possible, because those bats are very close into human proximity sometimes, and if it transmitted from the bat to the human beings and gets the mutated and then human to human transmission begins, that will be the biggest, what can I say, biggest disasters of the human civilization till death. Even it is unthinkable, and it is more than the combination of First and Second World War as well. 1/3 of the world population will die. So be careful, don't get panic. But we need to be careful. We have to maintain our COVID protocol very strictly for next 6 months. That is, using a mask very vigorously, good physical distancing to be maintained, and good sanitization and hand hygiene. Please be careful. This is an earnest request from a medical scientist. Thank you. Have a good day.